the end of the day lecture. This will be the last one. Well, hopefully, we've all been enlightened, I might do another site sometime. I don't think it's worth putting too many videos on one site. I might do another little site sometime. I'm going to get on with something else now. Yeah, I hope you're all enlightened. And hopefully the most important thing is whoever watches this, whoever they may be, that it may help them with their quality of life. And it may help them be happier. It may also help people deal with their difficulties and their problems, and an understanding of life is painful for everybody. So you must always, no matter how hard it is to see, try and see that life is painful for everybody. And when it comes to what you want, you must know the difference between what you want and what you need. You know? Understand yourself, know what you need. You know? You have all the basic requirements. After that, maybe a few more. And be sure you know what they are. And don't get that mixed up